My name is Leon. I go to Smith Elementary School, 6th grade. After doing it for the time, I like to ride on my bicycle, especially down there. It's my favorite down there. Means going down the hill from high to low. I really love it because it feels so cool. When I go down there in the blows, it makes me feel so good. And my favorite type of bicycle for MTVs, it is solid enough to ride on mountains. I want to ride a bicycle on mountains someday. Arrocio. After the free time, how about riding bicycle? It's so fun. Let's ride a bicycle.